Imagine a busy emergency room. You have a queue of 50 patients waiting to see a doctor. Suddenly, a critical COVID patient is rushed through the doors. They can't wait at the back. They need to go to straight to the very front. If such a software is built on a standard array, you have a problem. To put that critical patient at the front, the server has to shift patient 1 to slot 2, patient 2 to slot 3, and all people get bumped down in memory just to open up one single slot. It's inefficient and rigid. And it's exactly why I built this custom patient queue system using React, Spring Boot, and a linked list. In my Spring Boot backend, patients aren't forced to sit side by side in a solid block of memory. Instead, they are individual nodes. Each patient just holds their own medical data plus a single pointer, a reference to whoever is next in line. So when that coordinate patient arrives, my app doesn't shift anymore. It simply takes the new patient, sets their next pointer to the person currently at the front, and tells the system, hey, this is new guy, is the head of the line now. As you can see, the patients are added in the order we add them. So I'll show you what happens when you add a critical patient. Likewise, the critical patient is now on the top of the list, regardless of the first and the second patient. So this is done by using the add first function of linked list, which is right here. It is the code where the critical patient gets at first in the linked list. So likewise, we can make the patient leave. So the remove remove method of the LinkedIn gets called here. So if we go to here, patient leaves like this, and then I can peek at the next patient and proceed him to the doctor. And I can even view the last patient. This is all done through LinkedIn login. This is all done through LinkedIn built-in functions such as remove first, remove last, get first, get last, etc. etc.